So now I'm going to show you some other options you have when inserting an image. I showed you how to basically insert the three kinds of images you can. And just again, I'm going to pick one from my computer to demonstrate. I got that right there. And then you can see right here, in this little plus, you have more image options. And what you have in here is you can control the size in a couple of different ways and the position. And a few other things I'll talk about in just a second. But for the size, you can import it on the original size. You can set a custom size and enter the maximum width. You could fit it to the page. And then you have these other options for a thumbnail, a small up to 320 pixels, medium, large, or extra large. So let me just show you what happens if I insert a small. And then I have the position, and I can do it left aligned, centered, or right aligned. And when it's left aligned, I have this option to wrap text around the image. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. And then you also have this option of clicking this image links to the original image file. And that would work if it was a URL, and otherwise it would only work if you were on your computer, I believe. So I'll go ahead and just insert that. And it's sort of a big file, so it's going to take it just a second because it's actually uploading it to the web from my computer. There we go. And you can see, if you remember, when I inserted it the first time, it just came in gigantic. But I was able to insert it a lot smaller just by going to those other image options. And this was the small version. There was also like an extra small thumbnail, and then a medium, large, and extra large. And you can also see that since I selected it, the text will wrap around the image like that. So those are some of the options you have when inserting an image, and it gives you a lot more control over how the image is going to act in your document. So give these a try. It really helps when inserting an image to make sure you set these more advanced options as well.